My name is Matt Newberry, and I lead the electric vehicle charging programs for Liberty here at Lake Tahoe. One of the most exciting and important programs that Liberty offers is for high-power charging. We see the need for high-power charging both for people that live in our service area, but also people who visit the Tahoe Basin and our other areas, so that we can see more electric vehicles on the road. These high-power chargers help customers to get a charge quickly and then move on to their destination. To support more of these charging installations, which are quite expensive, Liberty selects locations that are very important for this but may not have otherwise been developed, and gives substantial support to those charging locations.
Liberty selected Northstar Ski Resort as an excellent location for high-powered electric vehicle charging. The location serves the northern part of Lake Tahoe with a 350 kilowatt charging option that can provide a substantial charge in just a few minutes. This location will serve electric vehicle owners traveling through the area and make it feasible to charge vehicles while hitting the slopes.